everybody. Today's a travel day, and it is our departure from the Yuma area for the winter, heading north. Just going to Quartzsite for a few days. We had a wonderful railroad tracks. A wonderful winter.
Right to US 95.
Got our solar all upgraded. Got to see lots of fun. Got to see lots of friends. Had a lot of fun. Went to Mexico at least once. Got it in just last week.
Yeah, just barely made it.
Just barely. We've just been busy. Busy. And we don't like leaving Bear and Kaylee in the desert alone while we go across the border. So we need to be in an RV park. And we've only done that just this last week.
Continue on the current road.
Been able to boondock the whole time. So just headed to Quartzsite. Goodbye, Yuma. Say goodbye.
Bye. See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
We made it to Quartzsite. And
Just pulling in.
Yep, so people with the horse they're still here over there.
Oh my goodness.
And the guy with the dog that lives outside all the time is still there.
From when we were here in January.
Right, from when we were here in January. And now we're headed to the Cactus, and we're gonna see if Two Van Man is still there. Well, he has a little Class C, or is it a trailer? It's a little trailer.
I think it's a little bumper pull trailer.
Yeah.
Yes, he has two vans.
He has two vans.
He seems to always be there.
Yes, he does.
He's nice, he's quiet.
Yep.
He's cordial.
Keeps his stuff cleaned up.
Yeah.
So we've dubbed him Two Van Man, so we'll see if he's still there.
Well, hopefully the cactus is still standing.
It is.
Oh, you see it?
Yep, and he is still there.
Oh my goodness.
We will see when we get closer. Boy, there's a bunch of big puddles.
They had a lot of rain in Quartzsite.
They did. We had a little bit of rain.
Last night.
And we even got sprinkled on a little bit this morning, tearing down.
Two Van Man is there, but his trailer is not.
Oh. Uh-oh. Huh.
I wonder what happened.
Yeah. The vans are there. Maybe it's getting some work done. Who knows? But yay, the cactus is still standing. That's always a worry.
That's a good sign.
Yep. Oh, the tent guy is there still too, in the orange tent.
Yep. parking where we normally park?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think so. Works for us.
Your destination is on the left.
It is. All right. Well, let's get parked and set up.
So we got all set up, got the slides out and everything. And they say timing is everything, right? Timing is everything. Look at these clouds. It started raining just a few minutes ago. Now it let up. Look at this. This is crazy here in Quartzsite today. Look at this. Look how dark it is over there. Woo! That's some thunderstorm clouds right there, let me tell you. Man, oh man. But we are set up for a few days. We are here. Ooh, there's some thunder. I don't know if we'll see any lightning over there or not. So we are here for a few days. We'll go see some friends that are here in town that have already started going north, and some already started going east. So that's why we're here in Quartzsite for a few days.
Take your band